This is not just a house dressed for the holidays, it is a masterclass in restraint, balance, and architectural confidence. Today, we step inside an Oregon football star's million-dollar Ashur mansion to explore how minimalist luxury transforms for Christmas without losing its identity. Every line, material, and light source proves that festive design does not require excess, only intention. This is where modern architecture meets seasonal elegance, and inspiration begins the moment the doors appear.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The experience begins at the front facade, where the Ashur architectural language asserts itself immediately. Clean concrete planes, expansive glass, and sharp geometry form a commanding yet understated presence. For Christmas, the transformation is subtle. Architectural lines are traced with warm light, a modern wreath anchors the matte black entrance, and evergreen textures soften the structure without overwhelming it. The design respects the home's original intent, power through simplicity. Even in celebration, the architecture leads, and the decor follows. Inside, the living room unfolds as a double-height statement of openness and control. Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between interior warmth and winter beyond. The Christmas tree is sculptural rather than traditional, neutral tones, restrained ornamentation, and warm lighting echo the home's palette. Nothing competes for attention, instead, every element collaborates. This space demonstrates how holiday decor can enhance spatial volume rather than interrupt it, turning celebration into an extension of architecture itself. The master suite is an exercise in quiet luxury. Soft textures, warm wood, and concrete surfaces create a calming rhythm, amplified by natural winter light filtering through expansive windows. Christmas here is intimate: pine garlands, warm bedside lighting, and layered neutrals that evoke comfort without visual noise. The design prioritizes rest, proving that seasonal styling does not need spectacle to feel special. This is luxury defined not by scale, but by emotional precision. The kitchen embodies modern performance wrapped in refined minimalism. Matte cabinetry, integrated appliances, and a monolithic island form a seamless visual flow. Holiday presence is understated: organic greenery, subtle candlelight, and warm reflections against stone surfaces. The space remains functional, uncluttered, and visually disciplined. Here, Christmas enhances atmosphere without compromising efficiency, proof that even the most utilitarian spaces can participate in seasonal storytelling. Floating above the main living area, the mezzanine acts as both connector and observer. Glass railings preserve openness, while soft garlands trace the edge without disrupting sightlines. Warm light rises from below, emphasizing verticality and scale. This level reinforces how decoration can follow architecture rather than fight it. The result is cohesion, each floor speaking the same design language, even in celebration. The bathroom transforms into a private retreat where minimalism meets serenity. Concrete walls, sculptural fixtures, and a freestanding tub set a spa-like tone. Christmas appears only as an accent, natural greenery, warm candlelight, and reflected glow. The restraint here is intentional, preserving tranquility while subtly acknowledging the season. It is a reminder that luxury design often succeeds most where it chooses not to over-design. Outside, the front yard balances landscape architecture with festive restraint. Pathways glow softly, trees are gently illuminated, and snow becomes part of the visual composition. Rather than decorative overload, lighting is used to guide the eye and reinforce form. The exterior presentation feels intentional, curated, and timeless, demonstrating that holiday impact is strongest when it complements the environment rather than competes with it. The rooftop offers a contrasting perspective, open, elevated, and atmospheric. Modern seating surrounds a warm fire feature, while subtle holiday accents create intimacy against the vast winter sky. The design embraces contrast, warmth against cold, softness against structure. It becomes a space for reflection and gathering, proving that even minimalist rooftops can feel festive when atmosphere is prioritized over decoration. The home office reflects disciplined luxury. Clean lines, panoramic views, and refined materials establish focus and clarity. Seasonal touches are minimal, a pine branch, warm desk lighting, enough to acknowledge Christmas without disrupting productivity. This space highlights an often overlooked truth: design inspiration thrives where form, function, and mood remain aligned. Even celebration respects purpose here. The backyard unfolds as a private resort. An infinity-edge pool mirrors the glow of the home, while landscape lighting integrates seamlessly with natural elements. Holiday accents are woven subtly into the environment, allowing reflection and water to do most of the visual work. This is outdoor design elevated, where seasonal elegance feels organic rather than applied. This Ashur mansion reminds us that the most inspiring homes do not change who they are for the holidays, they simply express it differently. Through restraint, precision, and respect for architecture, festive design becomes timeless. If luxury is about intention, then this home is not decorated for Christmas, it is composed for it.